Ever finish a book and wish you could find another that feels exactly like it? Sometimes mystery or romance is too broad. In this crash course video, we're using the Story Elements Index in NoveList Plus to break down what you love about a book and turn those vibes into your next favorite read. In NoveList, every book is tagged with specific story elements. These aren't just genres, they describe the book in more detail. To see the full list of these terms, click on the Story Elements Index under the Discover Novelist menu on the left. Here you'll find three main categories. Appeals describe how the book feels. Some readers might want a book that's fast-paced, while others prefer to read books that are more lyrical and leisurely paced. Appeals cover storyline, characterization, mood, and style. For graphic novels or comics, NoveList has illustration appeals so readers can pick out the illustration style they love. Themes cover common tropes or plot points, often within a given genre. For instance, The Chosen One in fantasy or enemies to lovers in romance. Genres are the familiar framework of the story, such as space opera or psychological thriller. If you click on a subgenre and check the box for award winner in the search results page, you can see what recent titles have won awards in a particular subgenre, like cyberpunk. This allows you to keep up to date with what's noteworthy or popular in a given genre or subgenre. Let's say you want a book that's well-researched, character-driven, and falls under historical romance. Instead of a generic search, we can use the Appeal Mixer on the homepage. This section allows you to combine these story elements to create a custom search. This isn't just searching for keywords, it's searching for a specific reading experience. Now we have a list of books that match that specific mood. But what if the list is still too long? You can use the Story Elements filters on the search results page to narrow this down even further. Maybe you want to read an intricately plotted psychological thriller with complex characters. By checking these boxes, you move from thousands of results to a handful of perfect matches that will leave you on the edge of your seat. Use these filters organized by theme, genre, and appeal to pinpoint titles that match complex questions from your patrons. Once you find a title that looks promising, click on it to see the full book page. Scroll down to the Story Elements section on that page. If you love a specific combination of story elements in the book, you can click them directly to launch a new search for other books with that exact same DNA. Found the one, you can click Add to Folder to add it to a book club or summer reading list. Using the Story Elements Index changes how you find books in NoveList Plus. Using appeals helps you articulate exactly why you liked a book. Click on themes to find those specific plot points that you crave. And you can even move beyond broad genres to find the exact subgenres that fit your taste. NoveList Plus doesn't just list books, it understands them. Becoming familiar with the Story Elements Index helps you learn how this platform is organized and really build your skills with Reader's Advisory. You're able to build complex searches with ease and add in filters to narrow down your results to exactly what you're looking for. Ready to find your next great read? Thanks for viewing this NC Live crash course. Links are included in the description below. If you are interested in learning more about skills and resources relevant to librarianship, subscribe to the NC Live YouTube channel.